The power of a wealth mindset. Money is more than just numbers in a bank account. It's an energy, a tool, and a reflection of your mindset. Shifting your beliefs and habits around money can unlock abundance, confidence, and financial freedom. This visual manual will guide you through essential steps to cultivate a Zen-like, stress-free relationship with wealth. I've also put a complete walkthrough of it in PDF version for you that you can grab below and start implementing this in your business. Now let's go through these 4 easy steps to activate your money and wealth energy so you can be more open to receiving money. Step 1. The most important, identify your money beliefs. Ask yourself, what were you taught about money growing up? Do you see money as hard to get or as an unlimited resource? How do you feel when you think about money? Stressed, excited, neutral? Mindset shift here is that money flows where focus goes. If you believe wealth is scarce, your actions will reflect that. Instead, start seeing money as abundant and accessible. I know this can be hard when you have a lot of bills and debt to pay. Trust me, I've been there. But once you start looking for the opportunities, they will start appearing very quickly everywhere around you. Now, this is also something that you need to practice. Practice happy feeling about money with these affirmations. Money is everywhere and it's accessible to everyone. I am a money magnet and I can make money easily. I am enjoying so much making money. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Step 2. Reprogram your money mindset. To shift your financial reality, you must rewire your thoughts. Treat money as a game that you enjoy and love, where energy and thoughts are the main tools for creating it. Do it for fun, not out of desperation. Do not attach yourself to the outcome of it. Don't force it. Practice these exercises daily, every morning, the moment you wake up, and every night before you're about to fall asleep, so you can teach your brain to see and your heart to feel wealth. Affirmations. I am financially free. Money flows to me effortlessly every day. Visualization. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing your dream balance. Gratitude. Appreciate every dollar you have and every opportunity that comes. Step 3. Master the energy of money. Really, think of money as energy. It needs to flow, be invested, and circulate. To create abundance and activate the abundance energy, you need to raise your vibration first, meaning you need to do things that feel good and abundant. Give and receive freely. Donate, tip, or gift without fear. Generosity attracts abundance. It doesn't have to be a lot, but every little bit counts. Invest in yourself. Money spent on growth, like education, skills, wellness, multiplies. Detach from fear. This is very important. Hoarding money out of fear and desperation stops its flow. Instead, make intentional and mindful financial decisions and investments and turn your fear into your freedom. Step 4. Adopt a wealth-building routine. Small, consistent habits lead to massive financial results. Kaizen Savings Method. Increase savings 1% each month for effortless growth. Zen Budgeting. Use the 50-30-20 rule that we talked in the previous video to manage income with ease. Money Meditation. Spend 3 minutes daily visualizing financial abundance. Link in description. This is very important. You need to practice, practice, practice until you teach yourself how abundance feels. Embrace financial Zen. Remember, wealth starts from within. By cultivating a positive money mindset and taking strategic actions, you can attract the prosperity you deserve. Be consistent, be persistent, and turn your fear into your strength and freedom. Money is a tool, not a master. Use it wisely, and abundance will follow. Next step for you is to write down one financial goal you commit to achieving this month. Ready to transform your wealth mindset with me? I would love to hear which one of these steps resonates the best with you, so let me know in the comments below. Let's start transforming your wealth mindset.